This isn't just a factory. It's where silence meets power, where copper, water, and engineering precision merge to create the heartbeat of high-performance PCs. Welcome to DeepCool, a place where every CPU cooler is crafted with the precision of a watchmaker and the vision of an artist. Inside these walls, performance isn't built. It's engineered, tested, and perfected. Founded in Beijing, with advanced facilities in Huzhou, DeepCool has one mission: to master heat. Because in the world of gaming and high-performance computing, heat is the invisible enemy, and only the most disciplined minds can control it. It all starts with copper, the foundation of every great cooler. These tubes aren't ordinary metal. They are precision-engineered heat pipes designed for maximum thermal transfer. One end is sealed tight to create a perfect vacuum, essential for the phase change, cooling that moves heat faster than solid metal ever could. A green guide rod slides in, ensuring pure copper powder spreads evenly across the inner walls. This copper powder, becomes a sponge-like network. Microscopic pathways, where liquid coolant circulates endlessly, carrying heat away with incredible efficiency. The pipes are filled, sealed, and then enter the sintering furnace, where intense heat fuses the powder into a permanent structure. Once complete, the guide rods are removed, leaving behind perfectly formed capillary channels, the veins through which performance flows. Every joint is laser sealed with precision so fine it can detect leaks at the molecular level. Hydrogen annealing follows, restoring the copper's brilliant color and removing oxides that could weaken it over time. Then, a few drops of purified water are injected. That's all it takes to create a thermal system that will protect CPUs for years. The contact surface is machined to within 0.02 millimeters of perfection. A final laser weld seals the system completely. Joints now stronger than the copper itself. To ensure reliability, each pipe is aged at 130 degrees Celsius, simulating years of use in mere hours. In another section of the factory, aluminum fins come to life. High-speed presses stamp thousands of them, each fin textured to increase surface area by 15%. That extra surface area means more cooling, more performance, more stability. Before assembly, the heat pipes are aligned using precision fixtures. Then robotic arms thread the fins with sub-millimeter accuracy, far beyond what human hands can achieve. The contact surfaces are polished into mirror finishes, ensuring maximum thermal contact with CPU heats. Every component is cleaned through multi-stage purification to remove even microscopic traces of oil or debris, because the smallest imperfection can ruin thermal conductivity. After drying, vapor chambers, the most advanced form of heat spreaders, are introduced. These flat chambers move heat 30% faster than traditional heat pipes. The process of joining vapor chambers to heat pipes demands surgical precision. Even a 0.1 millimeters misalignment can destroy performance. Inside a nitrogen-filled furnace, these components are fused at the molecular level. The result is a structure stronger, cleaner, and more thermally efficient than before. Then comes the fan, the heart of every cooler. This is where DeepCool's obsession with balance shines. Every motor coil is wound with exact tension, ensuring stable RPMs under any load. Bearings are aligned with microscopic accuracy. Too tight causes stress, too loose causes wobble. Inside a perfectly silent, anechoic chamber, they fine-tune every unit until it hums below 22 decibels, quieter than a whisper. The final assembly unites copper, aluminum, vapor chambers, and fans into one purpose-built system. a masterpiece of function and form. Each cooler undergoes real-world testing, from light office workloads to extreme gaming and over. Even the thermal paste is applied with scientifically optimized patterns, ensuring perfect coverage and pressure. Only when everything meets Deepcool's exact standards does it move to packaging anti-static, moisture-proof, and impact-resistant. Because every unit leaving this factory isn't just a product, it's a promise of stability, performance, and silence. Deepcool doesn't just build coolers, it builds trust. In every droplet of water sealed inside these copper veins lies the story of human discipline, the relentless pursuit of perfection, 1 degree at a time. Because in the end, greatness isn't about running the fastest, it's about staying cool when everything heats up.